heard about it through presentations that were held at our hospital. And I also noticed lots of posters popping up everywhere promoting the service. And I just wanted to find out a bit more, so I contacted Catherine Grady, who's the project manager, and she got back in touch and she explained what it was about. She gave a talk to the research teams here, and the more I found out about it, the more I saw the benefit of using it. We do a combination of studies in diabetes, so we have a lot of observational studies, questionnaire type, non-interventional ones. We also do a very simple one-off blood test, for genetic sampling. We also do a lot of device-based studies, so testing new insulin pumps or new pressure insoles for diabetic foot patients. So one of our studies is looking at the effect of sleep on diabetes, and there's a range there, so patients who are interested in research can apply for a whole range of studies, and they can pick and choose which ones they want to get involved in. Previously, we would use our Diamond database, which is an in-house database that we use. It lists all the patients that are registered at this centre. We would pre-screen that database, looking at the patient's medical records, or we would see whether they're suitable for a study. So that's sort of time-consuming task. The other option would be to link very closely with the clinical teams here. So we would get referrals from the doctors or the nurses. They would identify a suitable patient, and then they would contact the research team to say this patient could be suitable for this study. But all of those would rely on us putting out the information out there about research studies and putting in the time and effort to contact various sources to get the patients that are suitable. Recruitment has increased quite a lot. We've had a lot of help with some of our studies in that it's a more efficient, quicker way of finding the suitable patients who are also interested in research. We spend a lot of time pre-screening patients, and then you get the eligible ones, and then you find out that they're not interested in research. So the Help Beat Diabetes service helps us to identify those who are proactively putting themselves out there, saying we're interested in research, please contact us. We had a research project which was being run through the university. The researcher was looking for, I think, 20 patients, and he got such an overwhelming response from Help Beat Diabetes when he contacted Catherine about using the service, and he had something like 38 replies plus, and he had to stop the study because there was such an overwhelming response. He hit his target within the allocated time recruitment window that he had, and he was then able to analyse the data and get his study finished, on time really. For us it's easier, it's quicker, and it saves a lot of time, especially for our nurses, where they can spend seeing the patients, they can get more involved in direct care and not spend too much time pre-screening, the databases. Also, Help Beat Diabetes, for us anyway, it's very good at promoting research and raising awareness to staff and patients. We get patients now who are asking about research. Oh, we've seen this poster, or how can I get involved? Yeah. So it's a good all-rounder at promoting and raising the profile of research. I think it's been a good experience for us, and we've successfully recruited to target on a few of our studies with the help of Help Beat Diabetes. It complements a service that we already run here. We will continue to pre-screen the databases, we will continue to rely on clinical referrals, but Help Beat Diabetes complements that. So I think it's been a really successful service that we've used.